Alright, I'm ready. See here. Oh, yay.
Reese's Peanut Butter King.
Again. Whoa.
Ooh, that's a sucker, huh? A chocolate one? Santa
Like,
Claus?
It looks like, no, it's a gopher Santa. It's a gopher. Christmas gopher, whatever. What the?
What's that?
Oh,
Rudolph? It's a Rudolph something.
I don't know. Did you ever something? Another one? What's this?
Ooh, pretty cool.
He gives me all the Christmas. What the heck is this?
Marshmallow chocolate Santa. Those are good.
I suppose. Yay.
Oh, nightlight?
Oh no.
What's that? Oh, maybe we should open it.
Wonder what's in it. Oh.
Pez.
Why did they put it in there like that?
Oh, Grandma silly. She wrapped some Pez.
Wait, I think this is a present put on the tree.
No, it's not.
Then how come it has wrapping paper?
I don't know.
Wow, there's a lot of... What the heck?
It was like chocolate balls.
They eat these.
What else you got in there?
Don't look at the box, silly. The heck?
Oh, it's a tin of chocolate. Looks like frozen.
Can you open it now?
Yeah, well, let's go see the other stuff you got in there.
Yeah, we'll open it after. I have no idea what's in there. What the?
Looks like more chocolate balls.
Well,
Oh, it's cold.
it's cold.
It's funny. That's what kids are supposed to get in their stocking when they're bad. But it's candy. It's not real cold.
Oh. Yeah, it's not hard.
No, it's not hard.
Not that. That's silly. Is this bubbles?
Another candy cane?
I don't know.
Something.
I think it's bubbles.
Might be.
Mm.
What else is in there?
There's a...
Oh, it looks like a snowman.
Hey, wait. You could put money in here. Look.
Yeah, looks like it.
We'll talk to Mommy about it.
Yeah. What's that?
I have no idea.
It's some kind of candy.
How do I open that thing now? Oh.
Oh, it's okay, sweetie.
What? You want to pick it up or something?
I will.
Some more?
More candies? Wow.
Let's see what it is.
You got a lot of candy.
Wait, don't look in the box. Daddy, I said don't look in the box. Let's see if this is good news. More cool? Really?
Oh, it says for Daddy. Grandma's being funny.
This doesn't make any sense. Are these for me and this is for you?
Well, you could have it if you want.
Why should it be for you? It's candy for me. You don't have to look at the stuff in the box, but you will look at the stuff that's out of the box.
You got Santa straws?
No, it's snowman.
Oh, snowman.
It's Santa.
Looks like candy.
It looks like a Santa bar. Santa bars. What is this? I don't.
Some candy.
I don't know what it is. It's hard. It must be another piece like this.
It's a chocolate Santa.
Oh, what the heck is
Ooh.
coloring book?
Yeah, a frozen one.
And stickers.
Yeah, pretty cool, huh?
We'll talk to Maya about that if I could just open it now or something.
What's that?
I don't know. It's a candy bar or some kind of brand. I don't know.
Ooh, a chocolate bar.
But that's what
Yeah,
those two things are.
that's true.
Jeez.
What else you got in there?
What?
It looks like candy.
I think it's an ornament because it has a string on it.
Maybe you hang it up after you eat the candy.
I don't know. I think these are small marshmallows.
Yeah, marshmallow Santas. Those are good. I like those. Ooh, some candy necklaces and bracelets.
I think there's just look.
And you got a puzzle on the back.
I don't know if my order let me talk about. Hey, we only have one necklace and 3 bracelets.
Pretty cool. What's that one? Oh, zoo animals for the tub.
I think there should be some Christmas ones. I have no idea. Cause look, it has some cups on the back.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe you just put it in a cup. I have no idea. I don't know what this is. It don't tell me so. Oh, another one? Jeez Louise, man.
You got a lot of candy.
That's it.
All right,
And
so
no
thank
notes
you,
in
Grandma.
here. G.
So thank you, Grandma.
Thank you.
Thank you, Grandpa. Tomorrow's Grandpa's birthday.
Oh, darn. I didn't know that.
He's getting old. So you getting old, Grandpa.
You're getting old, Grandpa.
So you better come see me.
You better come see us.